The Lost Kitten 1. Sunny morning, Emma heard a soft meow outside her house. She opened the door and saw a tiny, fluffy kitten sitting on the porch. The kitten was white with brown spots and had bright blue eyes. Emma looked around but didn't see anyone. "Are you lost, little one?" she asked. The kitten meowed again and rubbed against her leg. Emma picked up the kitten gently and gave it some warm milk. She put up a sign outside her house that said, "Lost Kitten Found." Later that afternoon, a little boy named Jack came by. He was looking for his lost kitten, Snowy. When Jack saw the kitten, his face lit up. "Snowy, I've been looking for you everywhere." Emma smiled and handed the kitten to Jack. "I'm glad you found your kitten," she said. Jack thanked Emma and walked home happily with Snowy in his arms.